Welcome to a true gem in the Magnolia subdivision, where your dream home awaits. Priced at $459,000, this single-family residence is a perfect blend of modern luxury and classic charm.
Welcome to another episode of Approved to Move. My name's Kendall. I'm a realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty, and today we are in the Magnolias. Can't wait to show you this beautiful house. The listing price is $459,000. Come on, let's take a look.
Hey guys, it's Brittany with Homestar Financial. Welcome to Approved to Move. We're super excited to show you this beautiful home in the Magnolia subdivision today. Step inside this beautiful, spacious, open living room. It is gorgeous. 11-foot tall ceilings. It's a great inviting space. With 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a sprawling 2,340 square feet of living space, this home offers you and your family the space you've been searching for. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, perfect for preparing delicious meals for your loved ones. Look at this kitchen's backsplash. I noticed it right away. It's super flashy and blingy, and you can see yourself in it, like it's mirrors. How cool is that? Check yourself out while you're cooking. This master bedroom is like a true spa retreat. I'm not kidding. Complete with tray ceilings, a dual vanity counter, a separate shower, and a relaxing tub. Don't forget the separate walk-in closets for his and hers. What I really like about the primary bedroom is that there's a door to go in and out to sit on your patio, or if you were to put a pool in one day, you could go right into your bedroom. Super nice. On the other end of the home, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms along with a separate bathroom that can easily serve as a pool bathroom with its own entrance from the lanai, just like the primary room. Step outside to the expansive backyard, which sits on 0.44 acres of land. There's ample room for a pool if you desire one, and for outdoor enthusiasts, there's a covered lanai and an additional patio area, perfect for entertaining. But what truly sets this home apart is the picturesque tree swing that offers the perfect view for sunsets, making your evenings even more magical. So if you're looking for a meticulously maintained home with all of these incredible features, do not miss the opportunity to place this on your must-see list today. It's me again, Brittany with Homestar Financial. You know that I am your go-to lender. I can get things done, so call me. This home in particular, FHA, VA, conventional loans. We have lots of down payment assistance options, many options for you. So call me today, 352-425-9625, so that I can help you get into your next home. Ask yourself, are you approved to move? Call us today, let me guide you and get you into your next home. Thank you for watching Approved to Move. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we can't wait to see you next time. Have a good day.